Hello everyone, this is Nishu here. I wanted to give you a demo for my new project, Baseplay. But before I get into the project, I wanted to show you this game by my friend John, who released it a few weeks back, and it was an instant hit in our circle. Uh, so, John released this game a few weeks back. He built this using GPT and on-chain assets. Uh, he added a leaderboard for this, and everyone started fighting to get on the leaderboard. I was the first one to get on the leaderboard, and then other people followed suit, and then there was a huge competition. Right now, I think Basso is on top, and yeah, the game, as you can see, yeah, Basso is dominating the leaderboard. Yeah, there are other people who were fighting for it as well. I remember. Yeah, so yeah, this game was quite a hit. And now John is not a dev. He hacked this leaderboard for himself using MongoDB on a Heroku instance. He can't do all the security, auth, and everything. He somehow strung together this game using GPT and on-chain assets. He has trouble dealing with such things. And there are more people in our circle who are coming with game ideas for their on-chain assets. And we'll also run into the same issues that John is running into. So a few years back, I had a game on Android called Three Colors, which had about 1,000 plus downloads. And I remember back then you could use a service called Google Play Games that allowed devs the ability to create their own leaderboard, add achievements, and use those in game. Like they provided an API to do that. Now there's no equivalent of that in crypto right now, so I thought maybe we should build something for that. How hard could it be, So I built Baseplay, which is the equivalent of Google Play Games. Oops, I leaked everything. So I made Baseplay where you can create your own game and use the leaderboard and achievements in game using the API. So this is the dashboard. If you, I've already created. Sorry, this is the dashboard. It uses the games from the contract that have already been created. Uh, if you submit a game, it'll create that game in the contract for you. It'll create a new game contract for you, and it'll be added here. So for the purpose of demo, I've already created one called Baseplay demo. This is the leaderboard that you get by default, and there are achievements that the dev can add. Only the dev wallet can add this. You can see the button, you can't add it. That's a bug I need to fix. You can see how many enemies have crossed. This is a specific achievement. You can add achievement from here. Yeah, so there's that. And then to use this in game for your web game, there are docs I've added where I explain how to use the API for any game you have created. There are functions called connect wallet, get wallet address, unlock the achievement locally. I'll explain why there are two functions: unlock achievement on chain and unlock achievement locally. Get all achievements. Show the leaderboard, which was there on the game that John made, and also Google Play Games provides that. Then there's also update score. Yeah. Um, so let's just jump into the game and see how it looks. Uh, okay, so it's already connected to my wallet, Coinbase wallet. Let me die to show. So this is the first achievement that unlocked because I crossed the score of 1. I had that achievement set in the dashboard, and I unlock that in game, and I can say that achievement on chain. And when I do it on chain, I get a badge in my wallet that I created, that the dev created essentially. So when you create an achievement, it's a NFT. that gets dropped when you save on chain. Now this is why I have two functions in the Baseplay API, where there is unlock achievement locally and unlock achievement on chain. um, yeah, and there's a function called show leaderboard that will load the leaderboard from the contract for you. Everything is happening on chain, by the way. Nothing is stored in the database. If you want to view the contract and any of its details, you can go to on the dashboard. I've added a link. Yeah, so this is the main contract that you can interact with. Right now everything is running on the base testnet, so that's great. You can see the documentation for the dashboard here. I have added the how you can use it in your game, in your HTML file. So when you do that, it adds a object in the NFT, sorry, in the window called window.placeplay service that will allow you to interact with the functions. So yeah, and then there is the contract. If you wish to see how the contracts are set up, there's Baseplay, and you can go to the contracts, you can read them. This is for the game Play Store that you saw. This is where all the games are listed. Every time you create a new game, a new contract is launched. A new contract is deployed, which has all these details, all these functions. You can see them all on chain, by the way. So we have get all games. Yeah, so this contract was deployed recently for the demo. This was done through the dashboard too, and this is my friend unlocking score. This is the token transfer. This is where I saved an achievement on chain. Yeah, but the thing is also, once you unlock an achievement, you can't unlock it again. So that's why there's also that. Okay, so we have that achievement on chain. So yeah, this is how Baseplay works. I hope it was fun. Thank you for watching.